Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you are doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out the SMS Profit app and you're wondering, can you make money online with this particular app? Okay, looks pretty cool, right? Let's check it out. Let's see if it's legit. How much money can you really make? And the big question is this worth your time? Okay, now at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 100% from home, go ahead and click the link below and I'll send you my favorite strategy straight to your email if you would like to check that out. Now, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money on the internet, all sorts of make money online websites, different softwares, SMS, watching videos, surveys, courses, different business models, and some of them are great and you can make a lot of money potentially, but a lot of them actually pay you very little money and a lot of them are just a waste of time. Some of them are just straight up scams. So let's take a look at SMS Profit to find out whether, first of all, is this legit or is it a scam? How does this work? How much money can you really make? That's a big question, okay? Now, SMS Profit is basically a way for you to receive SMSs onto your phone, right? And basically what you're doing is you're helping particular companies to test the SMS networks globally, all over the world. So the nice thing that I like about SMS Profit is that this is a mobile application that you can basically download from anywhere in the world, okay? Now, depending on where you live will depend on how many SMSs you get. That also will make a difference between how much money you make, okay? Are you gonna make more money or are you gonna make less money? Depending on the country. So if you live in some of the countries where they're doing a lot of the testing, like in the big markets like Europe or the US or Canada or Australia, you might make a bit more money. But if you're in markets where it's a little bit smaller, maybe they're not doing so much testing at that particular time, you're gonna make a bit less money, all right? Now, the way that you get this app is you have to download an APK. So that's the only thing, is that you might not necessarily want to download an APK directly onto your phone because this is not downloading it from the Google, App Store or the Apple, App Store, okay? The Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, where it's very safe. This is a direct application straight onto your phone. Again, you just need to be careful and think about whether you really want to do that. But if you're okay with that, you would download this directly onto your phone and then upload it and install the software, all right? And that's basically how it works. It's very, very simple. All you're doing is you're receiving SMSs and you just basically do nothing. Okay, you receive an SMS and your account will get credited with a little bit of money for every single SMS that you receive. Okay, so it says, look, it's passive, it's easy, it's free, no investment, which is true. All right, but how much money do you really make, right? Because you're going to be receiving text messages and SMSs every single day, right? And that's okay because you're doing it passively. You don't have to pay any money for it. But is this really worth your time? Do you really want to be receiving random SMSs every single day? Okay, now, I've reviewed quite a lot of these types of apps. It's not just SMS Profit that allows you to do this. There's quite a few, of these SMS applications that you can use. Now, on average, they will pay you between $1 to $5 per month. Okay, it's not that much money, right? Some people think that it's a lot of money. You hear some of these, people on YouTube and different social media accounts saying that they can make a lot of money from receiving SMSs. Again, you need to be careful because the reality is that they only pay between $1 and $5 per month for you receiving SMSs, right? But these guys pay a little bit less, okay? So let's check it out. They're actually really honest on their website. Right here, you don't see tons of money. It's like 2 cents per SMS, right? So it's around there, to be honest, right? 2 cents per SMS, but actually they pay a little bit less, okay? So it says normally you will receive 1 SMS every day per 24-hour period. Okay, so that means you're only receiving roughly about 30 SMSs per month, and what they don't mention is it also depends on which country you live in. If you live in a country where the networks aren't really being tested, you're going to receive even less than this, right? How much do you receive per SMS? Well, you can make between 1 cent and 6 cents for every SMS that you receive. It's not that much money. Right now, if you do the math on this, let's just say we do the middle, right? So 3 cents per SMS, you're only getting $1 or 90 cents per month for receiving SMSs for free. It's free, but it's still only 90 cents. I mean, you can make way more money doing a lot of other things online, right? Now, if you're making 6 cents per SMS and you're getting 1 SMS a day, that's 30 SMSs a month, you're only making $1.80. It's not life-changing income, right? You can't really do anything with $1.80, right? I mean, it's so little money. And so I think that SMS Profit pays even less than some of the other SMS services out there, okay? It's very, very little. $1.80 is the best case scenario, right? So you need to ask yourself, you know, is this worth your time? Sure, it's free. You don't really have to do anything. It's passive. It kind of runs in the background. And you might want to do something like this. But what I'm saying is that there are better ways to make money online, okay? Instead of wasting your time on receiving free text messages, you should be finding ways to generate much, much bigger income and leveraging high income skill sets so that you can make hundreds of dollars per month instead of $1.80 per month, right? It doesn't really even make sense. So I would say that even though SMS Profit is free, it's legit, it's real, you can download this as an APK, they will really pay out, and you can withdraw your money straight out through PayPal, right? Would I necessarily waste my time, you know, stuffing my phone with all of these different SMS applications? Probably not, because even if I was to use, you know, SMS Profit and use other applications, you know, and kind of bolt on a whole bunch of applications, some, you know, maybe, you know, I get $1.80 from one, I get $2 from another one, I get $3 from another one, and I get maybe another $3 from another one. What's that in total? That's less than $10 a month for receiving tons of SMSs on your phone every single day. And it's just a little bit of a, you know, it's a little bit inconvenient because you're getting all these random SMSs and you're not making that much money from it. You know, what can you really do with a few dollars extra every single month? Not much, right? But if you had a few $1,000s extra a month, that could really be life-changing, okay? So I'm not to say that this doesn't work. It does work. SMS Profit works. It's legit. It's free, and you can make some money from it. But the big question you must always ask yourself is this really worth your time? What I would say personally, if you're going to be online and you want to leverage the internet and the power of technology to earn much, much more, then I would say that something like SMS Profit is a little bit of a waste of time. Okay, so that's my review on SMS Profit. You can still check it out if you want, smsprofit.net, right? But if you're watching this video right now and you're looking for a side hustle, maybe you're looking for online income, maybe you want to generate a lot more income for yourself no matter where you live in the world, it's all about learning a high income skill set, leveraging your time properly, right? Doing something every single day, spending a little bit of time on the internet so that you can leverage the most amount of income. And if you would like to find out my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just with your computer and the internet, click the link below. I'll send you my favorite strategy and you can check that out by your email, okay? I hope you enjoyed this review and I hope to see you on another product review. Take care.